Hello guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to set up the CryptoGraph Multi Algo with Wick Hunter. We've made some adjustments, making it very easy to set it up. So let's get right into it. You can start by going to TradingView. Okay, so of course you will first add the indicator to your chart. It will be the CryptoGraph Multi Algo strategy. So instead of the regular indicator, we will now be using the strategy for setting up the alert, so you can go ahead and select it. After that, you can click the strategy tester panel and click create alert. Actually, let's first configure the settings. So you can configure the settings like you're used to. Make sure everything is set like you want it to be, according to your strategy results. Right now I'm on the 1 minute time frame to give a quick demonstration how to set it up, so don't look at my results, they are just for testing purposes. Okay, so I've chosen to move the stop loss to break even after hitting take profit 1. That's all possible. So for the setup, all you will need to do is grab your Wick Hunter ID. So let's go to Wick Hunter. You can find your ID if you go to Signal Wizard. So first you will have to open Trading Bots, Signal Wizard. Let's just make a random configuration. It doesn't matter what it is, because you just need to see your ID, which will be visible in your payload. So you can go ahead and copy it. Then you will be going back to TradingView. Then insert it at the place of the UID. So by default I think it's UID, but just make sure to insert it right there, and what is very important is that you leave the parentheses up there, and also make sure they are at the end, otherwise it will not send a signal to your exchange. So in the configurations you can choose whether to use percentage based positions or dollar based positions. By default it's percentage, and here you will have some extra information, and that's the same for all fields. It will have extra information. So in this example I can use 100% of my margin at 2 leverage, which means it will be 50% of your margin that will be used. If set to 200, that would mean I will be using the entire margin of my balance. But let's, for this example, set it to 100. Leverage type is set to cross by default. I'm using isolated right now. Also, the close percentage can be of course adjusted. So what you input here will also be used in your exchange. So that's very convenient and very easy to set up like this. Let's keep it to 50. Okay, so once you've configured everything, you can simply click OK. At that point, your configurations are completely set up. At this point, all you will have to do is make sure to click this icon for adding the alert. And all you will have to do is select alert function calls only. And at that point, you will click create. And now I will have to wait 40 seconds before the alert fires. So let's fast forward a bit. Okay, so now the signal fires. Let's go to my Bybit account real quick, and you will see that everything is placed instantly. So you can see the you have 1 and 2, you have take profit 1 and take profit 2 and the stop loss. So in case we would now hit take profit 1, stop loss would be adjusted to the entry level. And that's all there is to it. So it's very easy at this point. Everything is configured in the indicators inputs tab. So once again, this is the user ID you will be using. I will blur it for now. This is the entry size type, either percent or dollar. This is the amount that will be used in the trade. So this is based on the leverage, on how much margin you will be using, and this is the leverage type. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and good luck trading.